Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I'll show you how to make this rolled felt rose flower. To begin, I'm using a scrap piece of felt that's 8 inches wide by 6 inches high. My bowl is about 6 inches in diameter. Trace a circle around the bowl lightly with the pencil. Using the pencil lines as guidelines, cut scallops along the inner edge of the circle. You want the top of each scallop to stay inside of the circle. These scallops do not need to be perfect. Actually, the rose looks better in the end if these petals aren't perfect. When you come back to the first scallop, we want to go down about 1 inch and cut scallops again. This is going to end up like a spiral shape. Keep going around in a spiral shape. As you get near the center, you can make the scallops a bit smaller. Plus, make the space between the scallop rounds a little smaller too, like maybe 3/4 of an inch. Now it's time to roll the flower. It's important to get this center nice and tight so it looks good in the end. Carefully use a hot glue gun or tacky glue and apply a thin line of glue like this. Tightly roll that section of the flower. Then apply a little more hot glue and roll that section. Apply more hot glue and roll again. You can choose to roll the flower tightly for a more compact rose. Or you can roll the flower a bit looser for a fluffier type of rose. Once at the end, put some extra glue on the edge to secure it to the flower. If you turn over the flower, what I like to do is cut out a small felt circle. Then apply some hot glue on the back and glue the circle. What this is useful for is it creates a flat surface and makes it easier if you want to attach the flower to a hair barrette or a pin. With the leaves, I just cut a V shape in the corner of the felt. Then round off the edges a bit to look like leaves. Hot glue the leaves onto the back of the flower. And here's my finished rolled felt rose flower.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment on this video. Please visit my website at reviewsbysarah.com.